Yo, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. My name's Chase. You're watching Prodigy TV. And today, we're working on the old Humvee. Getting it ready for SEMA. We got this big ass horn is going on top of the Humvee right there. But today, we're making all the brackets for the back. We have a 10-gallon air tank and I think 2 compressors to keep it full of air. And we also have some train horns that are going to be going in the fenders up in here. That is all from Hornblasters. So if you guys are out at SEMA in Vegas at the beginning of November, come out and see us at the Hornblasters booth. But this is coming off, and we have another hook that's going to go in that little pintle hook right there. And the cruise ship horn is going to be mounted on the handle, which will allow us to rotate it a full 360 degrees. And then we have a lever. We just pump air to the horn, and it's loud. Alright, so we got these pieces cut right here. These are the brackets for the Humvee. And this piece right here is a mounting plate. And this is what it looks like. That little slot goes in there, but it needs to be cleaned up a little bit. And then that goes like that. We gotta grind on it a little bit. Check it out. It's all done. Got these brackets put on. They look clean. Not too bad for my first time welding, is it? Say I did a good job. What you think, Mitch? I think you're full of shit. They lied. So we got these brackets, and then these, which are the compressors, they get mounted there, and then we run the line from here into the tank. And then we got the big 10-gallon air tank. It's going to get mounted here. That way, whenever it's in the back of the Humvee, it's at least SEMA quality. A lot of clapped out POS like the Humvee is. Good morning. It's a new day, and we have everything picked up from powder coat already. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. So last time you saw this, it was just bare metal. Well, we just built it, but we picked this up yesterday from powder coat, and today we're going to get this thing mounted up, and then we're going to go ahead and put our compressors on this, get everything wired up in there, and have this mounted in the bed of the Humvee. Also, we went ahead and got these mounted, which these are not hooked up yet, but we have all the plumbing already hooked up, so that way all we have to do is wire it. That's happening on Monday, but we're gonna go ahead and wire everything up. So everything should be finished on this in the next day or so. But we got horns here, and then we have horns also on this side. And then we'll have the battleship horn up there on top. So it's gonna be decked out with Hornblasters gear. It's like, I don't know how much room you got on your side.
I got some. Oh, fuck, I forgot about them things.
You ready? Good? Good? Go. Oh man, he put it right on the cross member, didn't he?
Yeah. I don't know, I can't see him.
There it is.
Is it tight?
No, not really. Let's see, fiddle it.
Oh, you almost had it.
You're touching it. You just ain't locked on yet.
Bump it, Graham.
Oh, you're on it.
Alright.
Tighten it. Alright, it's tight now.
That's what she said.
Golly. It's lunchtime! Dang, perfecto. Is that, what is that? What is that?
What is that?
Is that a snowman with a snowman with a hat? And then there's two round things. Who drew that? You?
No.
Oh God.
Joe loves this shot. Preston Thomas.
Preston Thomas made it. That was interesting. So we're mounting this block, 1/2 inch steel, to the horn, and then it is going on this handle right here, like that, and that little hook goes in that pipe, and then that way when I'm on the turret, I'll be able to pull this little handle right here, and then I'll be able to rotate full, probably 180, and aim the horn at whoever, and then just pull little lever switch. I can aim it to you, aim it over here at Mitchell, pull the lever, it's just loud. All right, so now we got this plate cut and the holes drilled, and now Mitch is about to take the bracket like this, and we're gonna weld it to that. Ain't that right? Oh! that's what I was thinking, but Graham's fitting it in.
Go ahead and grab that touch-up paint, brother. Man.
Should be perfect.
Toot toot, bitch.
Oh! Damn. There we go. That should be able to close.
Oh! Oh!
Brand new paint job. Does that make you sad, Mitch? Graham said I'll buy you some peach cobbler. Make it better.
Okay.
Should I check, make sure the hood's gonna close? Well, I guess we can always just rotate this out the way.
We'll notch the hood.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
You got like 3 inches.
Golden, dude.
Yeah. My wife said that's 3 inches is clear.
It looks like a car for them. Who's
God damn it.
You can't say that on YouTube.
Mitchell, don't cuss. What'd you do?
Hit his knee again.
hit my knee exactly where you.
You can't say that word on YouTube, man.
What word can you not say on YouTube?
Beep. I did it for you. I beat it out.
Yeah. Comment below. Do you guys think it looks like something off Dr. Seuss?
Y'all ever seen an elephant gun on top of the dang old Hummers?
That's what it is.
That's an old elephant gun.
It's just a big ass elephant gun.
Record players.
Yeah, I think it's pretty neat. Check it out. We got the Dr. Seuss mobile, which is the tracked Humvee with the cruise ship, battleship horn on top. Leave a comment, let me know what you guys think about it. But that's gonna wrap this video up. Monday, which is 2 days from now, today's Saturday, we're gonna go ahead and finish getting this thing wired up and getting everything hooked up, and then we got to get the hoses ran up there, and of course all the electrical stuff. And then we also got to put the new lights in and get these horns wired up as well. That's gonna wrap this video up. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let me know what you think about it. See you guys next time.